The people that are living today are alive because of this technology. I'm a historian, and I've been doing history work for many years with Cheslatta on the south side. The students will be examining artifacts like this. This is a spear point, and it's approximately 5,000 to 7,000 years old. It would have been used as a weapon to harvest animals, or it could have been used as a weapon in defense or offense. This edge has been reworked. If you look down the edge, if we made this out of wood, we would have a hard time keeping such a straight line. This is made out of a volcanic rock called basalt. Even though it's supposedly local, could be sourced from several hundred miles away. There's so many opportunities for people to get involved in this, and it's not all just digging down in that little square foot. We're going to be going to museums and archives as part of the curriculum and the course itself. So we'll be doing both field work, classroom work, and site visits to related areas like headquarters for an archaeological company. The techniques learned in this course are adaptable anywhere on Earth, and it goes beyond archaeology too.